This is my ultimate like dream car life. So I don't know if y'all saw that last clip, but they actually kicked us out of the dealerships. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey here, and today I'm gonna be vlogging, bringing y'all with me. I'm gonna be looking at like some supercars, some hypercars, you know what I'm saying, just kind of checking out some of the dealerships out here in Charlotte. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I am in the 335. Haven't been in this car in a minute. This car has been off the channel for like at least 2 months now, so gonna stretch his legs a little bit today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right guys, we made it. The Koenigsegg dealership. Crazy, huh? Look at that, that is wild. All right, so we made it. Look at the 335 though, looking good as always. But look at the inventory outside, bro. McLaren GT, and then look, we got it. I think this is a F8 and then 750S. So a whole bunch of nice cars, man. I want to go inside and hopefully they have a Koenigsegg. I'm not sure though. If they'll let us in, I don't know. It says they're open, but I'm really not sure. But look, oh my gosh, look at this Maybach, bro. This thing looks crazy. From the model like block wheels, bro. This thing looks insane. A whole bunch of nice cars out here. All the Rolls Royce they have. Jeez, these are the new models too, with the new like facelift in the front. They look cool. They have a lot though. This looks crazy. I'm pretty sure this is an 812. This thing is nice, dude. This thing is so nice. I don't know how to feel about the front engine Ferraris, but I like them a lot. And it has, look at the exhaust on it. Rift exhaust on it, but that thing sounds crazy. And I think this is a SF90. I'm pretty sure. I'm bad with Ferraris, but yeah, SF90. I see it inside. Alright, I'm gonna see if we can go inside now. I was seeing if we just walk in. Oh, the cars. Oh, okay. I appreciate it. Dang. This is crazy. Dude, this is nuts. Look at that. You got a Riviera. Dude. This is crazy. Look at all the exposed carbon on this thing. Like there's carbon in the headlight. That looks nuts. With the white interior. Nuts. It's even got the carbon fiber on the wheels. I don't know if y'all can see that right back there, but like the little blade that like the air comes through and like goes on that blade and like flips up. That just looks crazy. That's the name right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks crazy. And you see how you sit in it? It's like one person sits in the front and then the next person sits in the back. I wonder if it's like street legal or not.
Zinger isn't just another car company. It's a revolution in how cars are imagined, engineered, and built. Based in Los Angeles, they've pushed the boundaries of what's possible, using AI, generative design, and 3D printing to create parts that almost look organic. They're light, efficient, and stronger than forged metal. At the center of it all is Lucas Zinger, who is the co-founder, president, and CEO of Zinger Vehicles. He helped build the team, the technology, and the vision behind the world's first fully American-made hypercar, the 21C.
But I like that color on that one more. That one looks cool. Color on this one is so sick, bro. Like if I had one, it would probably be this spec right here. Exposed carbon, the gray on it. Look at the weave in it, bro. The weave is the craziest part. Cause you see like regular carbon, like carbon is on like all these cars nowadays. But look at the weave on this. Like it looks so beautiful. Like these cars are really like art pieces. Like you just don't even know. I had this in the garage. I wouldn't even drive it. I mean, I would drive it. I just have it sitting in the garage on like one of those rotisserie thingies. Dude, I just stared at it for hours. This thing actually has an exhaust on it. Agrapovich. I don't know if you have to see that. It probably does sound really good. This Rolls is pretty clean too, with the orange guts. It's a full Mansory kit too, just like the SUV was. With the monoblock wheels too. Forged carbon everywhere too. Yeah, I think it's nice. And then the Ferrari SUV. You don't know how big this car is. Like it's so long. You have to have like a designated parking spot at your house for that thing. And of course, the McLaren. I forgot what these are called. I'll drop the name right here. But this thing, oh, it says it on the seats. Elba, I don't know, something like that. I'm saying it wrong, but it looks so cool. It kind of looks like a 720, but like modified without the windscreen. It kind of looks crazy. Yeah, I think it's sick. This is cool though. Mansory kit on it too. Wow, this looks nuts. Dude, 4GT. Iconic. This is the back of that one. Like, look at this side skirt. Like, look how far it comes out. It's like, I don't even know how this opens up. I'll find a clip of that opening up. I'm gonna put it right here because I have no clue how that even opens up.
Look at this door. Look at this door. This is so ridiculous. I love it so much. Look how long it is. Just one big door.
Rear wing right here. I mean, the only rear wing that I see that looks like that is like on the new GT3 RS. So basically right here I was filming and one of the sales guys came up to me and actually saw I was filming and he was super cool and he allowed me to go to the back part of the dealership where they have some of the more exclusive cars and you know, cars that have been bought and stuff. So very cool for him for kind of giving me a tour and taking me to the back and kind of showing me what they have. I did see a SVJ, so he knew I was excited about that, so he had to let me go check it out. So big shout out to McLaren and Koenigsegg. So the guy just let us walk around and basically we were just talking and stuff. Super cool guy. He basically showed us all the cars and stuff in here, and that right there, that Aventador SVJ, and it has a 63 on it. That is a special edition. I forgot what he told me about how many they made, but they only made a certain amount, and that thing sold for like, I think he said 1.5 mil. Crazy, but it looks so good. Like that color with the orange on it, it looks sick. This is my ultimate like dream car. Like, y'all subscribe and I start blowing up and stuff, this is what I'm gonna bring to the channel. This is it right here. And it has a exhaust on it too. Like, this thing is like crazy nice. So huge shout out to the dude for letting me come back here and check it out. Yeah. One thing I want to show y'all too. Yeah, there's a GT3 RS in here too. Check this thing out. So this is my spec. Like if I was to spec a GT3 RS, I would spec it like this. YSAC package, so it has the carbon roof and all the extra carbon bits and stuff. And you can see the red wheels, because red is my favorite color. I would spec it out just like this, with the red lettering on the side. So you give me this and give me the SVJ, two-car solution. Like, look at this. This is beautiful. The buckets with the red in them, the black in there. Like, look at the red on the tag. Like, This is like the truth. The carbon hood, all the fins and stuff. Like, this is a track weapon. Like, you don't have to do anything to this. I wouldn't even think I would put wheels on it. I'd just drive it like it is. This would be like the only car I would have. I had to do nothing to. This is a ZR1. I didn't even notice that. ZR1. That is crazy. I've never even seen one of these. You can see like it has the blue cover, which is different in there. It has all the badging and lettering and stuff. This is like nuts. I've never seen one of these. It even says it has all the blue in there, the carbon, ZR1 on the steering wheel. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all saw that last clip, but they actually kicked us out of the dealership, so we are having to leave now, so you know, nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, it just went off and then it stopped and nobody went in there to say anything, so yeah, just decided to leave because that was a good sign to go. But nah, it was cool. Had to look at some really nice cars. I think what I would take so far is the SVJ, of course. I don't know if I'd take that over a Koenigsegg, but I mean, it's definitely up there, which probably sounds crazy to y'all, but I love the SVJ. After that, I'd probably go like an Agera or Regera, probably second, and then third, of course, I gotta go with the GT3 RS. I love the GT3 RS. That thing is a beautiful machine. But we'll take a quick pit stop to Starbucks real fast. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that chai. Alright guys, finna head out now. But dude, check out the 335, bro. Clean car. Love this thing, man. Want to make some more content with it, guys. Want to do some more mods to it. Y'all just let me know what I should do to it. You know what I mean? Do we single turbo it? Do we upgrade the turbos on it? You know, what do we do? Let me know if y'all want more vlog style content like this video. I had fun filming it. Some super cool cars that we got to look at today, guys. Hopefully I can take one of those cars home one day if y'all subscribe and y'all like, you know, and maybe, you know, maybe something like that can happen. I do appreciate y'all checking out the video. If you made it this far in the video, got more content coming out this week, so I just want to thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one.